Hey everybody, I've done it again. I believe it's February 10th. And a quick update. I've lost about 76 pounds. It's slowing down. I need to get serious with a couple things. I think my portion size and stop eating so much red meat. So got a couple steaks in the freezer. Once those are gone, more fish, pork, seafood. I'm making the video today because it's funny. The sun is shining out, and we're under a blizzard warning, and it's beautiful out. This is a blizzard. Here comes a loud truck. I will have to pause. The loud truck has passed. So this is our blizzard. There's down the street. Look at all the snow. Look at that. And then these are the mountains. The mountains at our back door. I don't see any blizzard. It is very windy. So, I mean, if it is a blizzard, I will bring the video camera back out and say I was wrong and the weather people were right. But this is one tame blizzard. The blizzard of 010. No, it's not 010. The blizzard of 10. It was 09, but now you can't say 010. It's the blizzard of 10. I survived it. So, the next time you see me, I could be in a whiteout. And then we could say the blizzard happened. This will be my last video for a while. I don't want to do a video until I'm under 300 pounds. So, that's my plan. I am freezing to death right now. The blizzard's coming. Oh, it's the end of the world as we know it. I'm Larry Ken Adams. Talk to you in a few minutes when the snow starts falling. As you can see, this is brutal weather conditions. Oh, I never thought I'd be in a blizzard. Golly, help us. Help us. This blizzard is just blizzard skies. Blizzard. The blizzard of 2010. I don't know if I will survive it. Pray for me. More later. Okay, well, it's starting to look a little snowy, but not blizzardy. I gotta say, the blizzard of 2010 is a real disappointment. I wanted to show you all how the wind was whipping, but it has stopped whipping. Oh, here it goes. Ooh, it is cold. Where were you on the blizzard of 2010? I was making a video for all my... Oh, there we go. Woo-hoo. It is chilly. Oh, the blizzard of 2010 is still disappointing, but picking up a little bit. Talk to you later. Oh, it's about 5:30. Alright, I'm back here. Continuing coverage of the blizzard of 2010. It's just, they call it an act of God, the devastation. These flurries are crushing people. I'll never forget this day. Real quick though, I'd like to share with you a loud car going by. Tonight I'm having my pecan encrusted tilapia. Preheat your oven Yeah, this is a recipe. It's a good one. First of all, crush up some pecans, chop them up pretty good. Preheat your oven about 380 to 390. You're going to cook it hot. Take your tilapia fillet and wipe. Is this another loud car coming during my recipe? Gosh, I live around a bunch of rednecks and nut jobs, open mouth breathers. Ah! Okay, so take your tilapia, you coat it in mayonnaise, pour some olive oil in your pan, and throw down some of that encrusted pecans. Lay your fillet there, covered in mayonnaise, and then put pecans all over the top of it so it's all encrusted in pecans. And then cook it for 30 minutes until it's really dark and smoky and woody. And then put it on the plate, squirt some lemon juice on it, and yum, yum, yum. Maybe that's why I'm not losing weight as fast as I should be. But that's my Larry's pecan encrusted tilapia, and I'll have a video of me eating it in about an hour. Okay, going back inside. The blizzard of 2010 is killing me. Okay, about to start cooking the tilapia. I figured I told you the recipe, I might as well show you how to do it. It's real simple. I have my tilapia fillet right here, raw. An old cookie sheet, some mayonnaise, some olive oil, some crushed pecans, and I need salt and pepper. Not really the pepper, but a little. So here we go. I know this doesn't look like much, but it tastes delicious.
Hey, I eat soup. And I like peanut butter. And I dig my feet. I love you. I love Daddy. Big. Big. Like this. Tall. I like Mommy. Mommy big.
Yeah, you love Mommy big.
Love myself little.
No, you love yourself big. Big, 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 you love yourself.
And Mommy loves me. And Daddy loves me.
You know I love you. I survived the blizzard. 2010. Oh, I ain't got my shirt on to be funny and I'm freezing to death. Bye.